थैंक यू एवरीवन। मेरा न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल पे सबका स्वागत है। गेट स्टार्ट। Ingredients of mastic: there are bitumen, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and filler material. Bitumen is in solid state at room temperature. We are use 85 by 25 grade bitumen, where 85 is softening point at 50 to 90 degree Celsius temperature, and 25 is penetration point at 25 degree Celsius temperature. Bitumen turns into a liquid condition when it hits a temperature of 200 degrees in bitumen cooker. Our asphalt cooker capacity is 2 ton. There use bitumen 256 kg, fine aggregate 672 kg, coarse aggregate 720 kg, and filler material use 425 kg. This is coarse aggregate. It provides the strength of whole material. Using coarse aggregate, impact value greater than 20 and abrasion value greater than 40. We can use 6 to 10 mm size of coarse aggregate. This fine aggregate, it increases the density of material. We can use two types of fine aggregate. There are sand and stone dust, but we are using now stone dust. This is filler material. Fillers are used for decreasing overall cost of the work. It helps to provide binding among the ingredients. Fillers are mainly limestone powder. Its size not more than 75 micron. Definition of mastic: mastic is waterproofing and road surfacing material. It prevents seepage. It provides shining surface and durability to the work as well. दोस्तों, इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैंने मैस्टिक रोड का मिक्सिंग, लेइंग एंड फिनिशिंग का एक कंप्लीट प्रोसेस दिखाने का कोशिश किए हैं। इस वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगे तो कंस्ट्रक्ट एबिलिटी चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए।